Welcome to the BSN channel. I started off with looking at the moringa dried leaves straight from Ghana, but that's not the important part of the day or the night. Is my mum is making a special soup that has contaminated the whole house. Gosh, you see the ingredients for the soup? Yes. Now ma, what soup are we making for the fufuo?
Making enkran.
Speak a bit louder, please, ma.
You're making enkran line soup.
And what's the main ingredient in this particular soup?
It's ntotobe.
Ntotobe?
Which is the wale.
Ntotobe.
Let me explain very well. What is inside the soup now is kako or palm money. Totobe. Totobe is like wale. Wale, you know, that Cameroun type. And the wale is the guy and Fante called wale. And then the totobe is the Asante one.
And what's the difference in this one?
The difference is the stinkiest.
Gosh!
Is this. It's
fermented.
called totobe. It really, really stink, my God.
But you know that in our culture, stinking means it tastes good.
Yeah, that's the best. Something that is rotten. So I've got goat meat. I've got nama intestines.
Yes.
That's what my
Kwame.
Kwame love nama, and then totobe.
You got fresh fish in there, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got dry fish actually. It's coming later with Akan
Peanut.
There'll be a touch of probably peanuts.
And what's this one?
This is odo fish.
Odo.
Odo special one. Nsumunam.
Yeah.
And then I've got a kako. This is kako, the way they cut it up.
Jeez.
So that one goes.
This is a lot of ingredients in the soup. I can't wait to devour this.
It's so much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it for a time being and then do the ingredients to come and put it on.
Okay.
And let it start maneuver proper.
Before I end this, I must explain that the whole house is contaminated. The smell has invaded my nose like a dominant country with a big army. You must understand, my nostrils have been punched. We'll come back when the soup is starting to graduate from school. And then I will give it a certificate. Bye. Okay, so mom, you're gonna add something that's been blended.
Yeah.
What have you blended in this?
It's a bit of couscous. And it's a little bit here.
And peanut.
Peanut butter, chili, chili pepper, onions, Jenny, and what do you call it, ginger. So now I'm going to leave it to simmer.
Are you gonna make broth for this?
No, not this time.
And your reason for not making broth?
Because the ingredients in it is so strong. I don't need broth for that.
So, ma, personally, are you looking forward to this soup?
So much, I can't even wait. Especially when it's wrecked my whole house. My house stinks like hell.
I'm telling you, I can smell this from down the bottom of the road. We live in a white man area. Imagine what the next door neighbors are thinking. Seriously, it's not like the old area we lived in. The other black people understood. We came from Africa. Even my dad, who's white, had to go to his family's house for 2 days. We made the soup. Definitely.
You can't take it.
We can't take the smell. He eats shepherd's pie and fish and chips.
Baked beans on toast.
Baked beans and toast, eggs, roast beef.
Fufu and ABC and that. Anyway.
Anyway,
soup is mounting at the moment, and that is my fufu powder being sitting on the side.
What are you adding to this now?
Garlic granule.
Garlic.
Plenty.
Did you cut up onions before you made it?
Yeah.
Okay. So the ingredients that you mentioned were put in after you put the onions?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright.
The ones I put in last minute from the blended one was I put fresh onion for the bottom, the base first, with the meat, the fresh goat. And then whilst that one simmer for a while with the Maggi cubes, then I use what do you call it? I blend the raw garlic leaves, ginger, raw chili pepper, and blend it and pour it in. Still, I have not add water, proper water.
So are you gonna add that tomato to it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that's the only tomatoes I'm going to use.
Okay. Okay, I thought you was using the pot now. And how long would this soup take? I mean.
You mean in total?
Yeah, in total, on average.
Oh, that would be like. When I put the water, I'm going to leave it for a while. And now I just put in a bit of tomato puree in the tomato plant.
Why is it too hot, the soup?
Yeah, it will be. I'm still going to throw a couple of moko in it. You know, the moko.
The ones right here. Well, I don't know which one is which.
I'm going to blend, not blend it.
Which one is the gas pepper? Is it the one that's
the green one?
What, these ones?
No, that one I haven't got some.
Oh, you mean these ones? Okay. She's talking about these ones. She's gonna add these ones later. It's gonna make it even more hot. And mind you, these things are come straight from Ghana. I have to remind you again. This is not the ingredients we found in England.
Now, my tomato.
She stuffed her suitcase full of this stuff. It's not a big deal. It's not drugs or anything. But you know, she had to pay someone a certain bribe to put all of this on the plane.
Oh dear.
Yes.
It cost me money.
But in Ghana, money talks. Money talks.
The food I've brought will last for almost 1 year.
Gosh.
Especially the fish.
Braka.
The awole and the opama money, stinking fish. Kako.
That name alone makes me excited.
And then
Papa Momoni.
Super cool.
Jeez. More money. More money it's not more money, okay? For those wondering. It just know it's a stinking substance.
Smelling, bad smell.
Yeah.
And that's what you like.
Mo. Mo. It's stinky fish. And then when you hit the papa, means it's the best of the stinkiest. Anyway, we'll come back when the soup is studying. When it approaches graduation, we'll come back. And also we'll come back when I'm devouring this whole thing in my mouth. Is there any last words you want to say to your Ghanaians, Mom?
Yeah, they will have to wait until the actual soup graduates, like you mentioned. So we will come back to it. Yeah. Just be patient with that.
Okay. Okay, we'll do that. Bye. So we're back now. The soup is done. I've calmed down much more because it's come to the point where I'm so hungry. I don't have the energy to even say anything outside of the truth. She's just taking the remaining oil out of the soup.
That's too much oil. Right, there we go.
Gosh. See this? It's a mouth-watering experience. This is no laughing matter. This is no laughing matter. This is very serious. The foofoo experience. The stinky fish. The meat in which I can chew. The foofoo in which I can swallow. The soup that will slide it down. And the bowl which will contain all of those processes. Gosh. I'm so hungry right now. Not even my mom's speaking. So I'm just seriously, man. You made a great soup.
I'm looking for Akan too.
In fact, your soup is even more better than the creation of me and my brother.
Oh no, don't say that.
Okay, yeah, that's blasphemy. Sorry, God. But the soup is second best. Gosh.
Like mommy's.
You see the intestine? Oh no, she didn't have no intestine. This is fish. The odo fish.
Odo?
There's a lot of adoye in this soup. I'm not talking about the fish. I'm saying love.
Odo?
Yeah. I'm joking. I'm playing around. Whose soup is this? It's my younger brother.
Yeah.
Yao Menu. Gosh. This is like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Got the baby one. Then you got the middle one. Then you got the cash one. You see this? This sauce, the men from the boys. The balls from the cows. The dogs from the cats. Yes. Cash. Oh my God. Oh yes. She's trying to find that goat, the right goat. Oh, somewhere there. Jeez. Cash.
I'm looking for ntotobe.
Ntotobe. Ay. The stinkiest meat fermented for the tongue to be obliterated.
I'll catch another one.
Gosh. Ntotobe. What do they call it in Ghana? Is it called 113 or something?
Nope. It's called ntotobe.
No, they call it 113.
Who told you?
In ntotobe, you remove the top symbol of the T, and it turns into 11. So TT, and a spin around the 3. Never mind. The main thing is cash. See the soup right here? The soup right here has raised a nation. The Asante mine.
Is your meat okay?
Yes, the meat is enough to feed a quarter of a village. Or maybe the quarter of the children of the village. But you see this right here? This raised me. And will continue to raise me tonight. I will be stronger tomorrow than I was before today. All because of this. I've waited 2.5 months for this. In fact, 3 months, because the month that my mum was here, she didn't make it. And then she brought back the ntotobe. The stinkiest fermented animal that you can think of.
The rest is yours for tomorrow, son.
Gosh. Now I'm gonna leave you now because I need to eat. I'm gonna eat this beautiful soup. Yes. 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 Bye. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it hasn't been too much torture from both sides. Bye.